mean, we had a big spike in Cedar late yesterday due to a dry line that brought those west and northwest wind. And we're still coming off of that. Cedar's 24-hour average is still high, but it's coming down. So it's not nearly as high at an instantaneous level as it was this time last night. Interestingly, grass showing up. We'll have to dig into that, but mold is low, although that is trending up because the humidity is trending up. We've got dew points across much of the state in the 60s as we're tapping into the Gulf moisture. On top of that, we're getting plenty of clouds coming in from the west. So the two will combine to give us a lot of clouds overnight, and that will be a much cloudier day tomorrow, especially in the morning, compared to what was a very sunny day here today, especially in the morning. Those morning clouds will gradually give way to a mix of sun and clouds tomorrow afternoon. It will be breezy though. That south-southwesterly wind, 10 to 20 miles per hour, could gust up to 30. Helping to drive in the warmth and the humidity. High of 81 in Austin would not actually be a record, but still very warm clearly. Low 80s through our eastern counties, a few areas in the hill country in the 70s. Want to turn our attention to our next cold front. This is roughly where it is now. It's going to dive south very quickly tomorrow and get into central Texas on Friday. So let me walk you through what's going to happen here over the next 2 or 3 days. First of all, the clouds overnight into tomorrow morning. Those morning mostly cloudy skies giving way to breaks of sunshine in the afternoon that should be enough to get us into the low 80s in many spots. Then Thursday night, the clouds thicken back up again ahead of our cold front that very slowly moves through our area on Friday. Along and ahead of that cold front, a few spotty showers or even thunderstorms from the eastern hill country through at times the Austin metro and into our eastern counties as we go through Friday afternoon. Not everybody's going to see rain. Chances are you won't where you live, but the potential is there for a bit of rain or a thunderstorm. And then as that front slides to the southeast, it takes the rain chances with it, and then we'll be drying out overnight into Saturday. There is not a severe weather risk here locally currently. Just non-severe storms a possibility for many of us. The severe weather risk being a low 1 out of 5 is just to the east of our area. However, with a stray thunderstorm, you could pick up a quick 1/4 of an inch of rain near and east of the metro and into northern portions of the hill country. Most of us in the rest of the hill country should get much less rain if you get any at all. Let's talk temperatures now as that cold front comes in. Highs will peak in the mid 70s. Even some upper 70s and low 80s in the hill country Friday. And then that front blows through, temperatures start to fall, and then they will keep falling into the day on Saturday. We may try to see those numbers climbing again, but still only in the 50s here on Saturday. So it's 70s Friday, 50s Saturday, and back into the 60s on Sunday with a mix of sun and clouds both days of the weekend. Into next week, the temperature climb is slow, but it's apparent as we get back up into the mid 60s Tuesday, upper 60s Wednesday. A couple of cold mornings though, Sunday morning and Monday morning.